Hello students, so today we are continuing our chapter number 3, part 2 of the chapter. So the last part we have studied about the chapter, that is questions, and which type of questions, that is yes or no questions, WH questions or alternate questions. I have also taught you the formation. So today we are just going to do the revision of the formation and then we will move on to the exercises. Now the formation of the question is first the helping verb, then the subject, then main verb and the other part of that is predicate. Now helping verb they have given some, that is can, should, has. Subject, that is Alisha, people, Adil. Main verb, which is our action which we are doing, sing, protect, return. And the other part is wear, trees, from, China. So where there is no helping verb in the statement, as in sentence in the simple present, the simple past, we need to supply do, does or did as shown in the table below. This I have told you in the last part 2. See, when we have these helping verbs, so our question will be, can Alisha sing well? Okay, so where are the do, does and did coming? Where there is no helping verb in the question. So making question in the simple present and simple past, which we have already studied in the last video, I am only giving you the quick revision. That is does plus the subject plus base plus form of the verb and other parts of the predicate. Okay, and this is simple present. And for singular subject, when there is a singular subject, मतलब अगर हम किसी एक के बारे में बात करें, that is makes. Suraj. Suraj is a singular person. We are talking about singular subject. Suraj makes tea. So here it is singular subject, so it will come does Suraj make tea. Same way the earth goes round the sun. We have only one earth. दो तीन है नहीं है, एक ही है, तो वो हमारा हुआ singular subject. So does the earth go round the sun? Okay. Same goes for plural. When we have subject plural means more than one. What is the meaning of plural? More than one. We put the helping verb do here. Yes. So Suraj and Sandhya make tea. यहाँ पे एक ही था, तो यहाँ पे makes हुआ. जो मैंने आपको last इसमें बताया था, when we add suffix to the verb. And here they are already two. So we don't add suffix here. S. Okay. So Sandhya and Suraj make tea. So it is do Sandhya and Suraj make tea. The planets go around the sun. So do the planets go around the sun. So the same way it is. Elephants lay egg. So do elephants lay egg, because here all the subjects are plural. Now same goes for simple past. Okay. Now for simple past we have already studied, we use did. Singular subject do, plural subject does. It is for simple present. When it is simple past, whether it is a singular subject or whether it is a plural subject, we only put did there. What we are adding there? Did. So did plus subject plus base form of the verb and other parts of the predicate. Suraj made tea. So did Suraj make tea? Here this made verb will be, because here we are already using did, so it is in the past. So हम यहाँ पे make कर देंगे. The satellite went around the earth. So in question what it will be? Did the satellite go around the earth? यहाँ पे went के कारण हमें पता चल रहा है कि ये sentence past tense है. बट जब हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब डिड को ऑलरेडी पास्ट टेंस में बता देते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा वर्ब गो, दैट इज प्रेजेंट. ओके, सो दिस वी आर स्टडीड. नाउ हियर इट इज योर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1, दैट इज रीराइट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स एज क्वेश्चन. नाउ आई एम मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर एंड देन आई विल कंटिन्यू विद द आंसर आल्सो. Bamboo is a type of grass. So now here it is all these are the answers of the question which we have to make. ये exercise है, rewrite the following statements as question. These are That is the thing. Okay. Now the next topic here is other yes or no question. Now yes or no question means tag questions. Tag questions we have already studied. Tag questions and declarative questions have the nature of yes or no. A tag question is a short question added after a statement. Now tag question means what? When we are adding the short question after the whole statement. A tag question expects an agreeing reply from the learner. जब हम किसी को टैग क्वेश्चन करते हैं, माई ड्रेस इज नाइस, isn't it? अब मैं क्वेश्चन ही ऐसा पूछ रही हूँ, माई ड्रेस इज ब्यूटिफुल, isn't it? तो आप सामने वाले से क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है आंसर? यस. कोई मेरे मुंह पे तो नहीं बोलेगा कि नो. सो whenever we are asking a tag question, that means we are expecting a positive answer from the listener. जो सुन रहा है, जो हियरर है, उससे हमें क्या चाहिए? अग्रीइंग आंसर चाहिए. यस ही आता है तो क्वेश्चन भी उस हिसाब से ही जाता है. सी, a tag question is a short question added after a statement means Monica is a beautician, isn't she? So this is the tag question, the shortest question. We are not going to Jaipur again, are we? Sonia has married Malik, hasn't she? So whatever the question is asking us, the expectation from the hearer is to agree with that question. Now here it will be yes she is. Monica is a beautician. So what it will be? Yes she is. We are not going to Jaipur again, are we? So the reply will be no we aren't. Sonia has married Malik, hasn't she? So the agreeing answer will be yes she has. Now here it is, a positive statement will have a negative tag and a negative statement will have a positive tag. Now what is the meaning of that? This is a, it is a positive statement. वहाँ पे no, not कुछ नहीं है. Okay? Is a, so it is a positive statement. So when it is a positive statement, the question tag will be isn't. Is not होता है तो हम उसको short form में लिखते हैं isn't. So isn't she? The question tag will be in the negative form. What it will be? In the negative form. And when we have a negative question, understand, negative statement, we are not. So not, whenever in the statement there is not or something doesn't or something like that, it is said to be a negative statement. When there is no, not and everything, so that is called positive statement. So when we have here not and it is a negative statement, so the answer, the question tag will be in the positive, that is are we. तो हमेशा ये याद रखना है, जब यहाँ पे is a है तो ये आ जाएगा isn't, it will go in the negative form, और जब यहाँ पे है not तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा positive form are. So this is the thing, a positive statement will have a negative tag. First and third example sentence above, ये जो है Sonia has married Malik, तो has here is positive because यहाँ पे not add हमने किया नहीं, so हमारा question tag क्या आएगा? Hasn't she? And a negative statement, a positive, that is the second example. We are not, so are we. So positive statement, negative question tag. Negative statement, positive question tag. A declarative question is a statement that is spoken like a question with a rising tone at the end. Now when we have a declarative statement, it is always toned. Tone मतलब क्या? आवाज, कम, ज़्यादा, highest pitch. So the tone of the statement will be, it can be considered as a question. Like, you have got some money, so my way of tone, the way I say, you have got some money, yes or no जो भी होगा. Daddy is at home. So this is a statement of declarative. वो actually एक statement है, but जिस तरीके से, जो way में हम पूछते हैं, वो decide करता है कि whether it is a question or whether at home. So it is normal statement कि daddy घर पे है. If I say daddy is at home, so that home का जो tone है, तो pitch जो higher side में चला जाता है, so that makes the declarative statement as a question. The teacher has checked your answer sheet. If I tell normally, the teacher has checked your answer sheet. Normal statement. The teacher has checked your answer sheet. So my tone went up. So that will be question mark. So regarding to this yes or no and tag questions, we have this match the statement with correct question tag. And this is the exercise of it. So now I will explain you the exercise 1 and 2 and give you the answer of the same. Okay? So we will move on to our exercise and the answer of exercise number 1 and 2. Okay then, let's continue with our exercise. So this is the first exercise of the chapter, that is rewrite the following statements as questions. Now here it is, bamboo is a type of grass. So what will be the answer? Bamboo is a type of grass आया है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Is bamboo a type of grass? Same way, Sanya is watering the plant. So what will be the answer? Is Sanya watering the plants? So whenever there is a helping verb in between, the helping verb will go in the beginning of the sentence and then you will form the question. जैसे bamboo is a type of grass था, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? Is पहले आ गया. Is bamboo a type of grass? Sanya is watering the plants. So ये यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? Is Sanya watering the plants? Same way, Fernandez was the captain of the ship. So can you guess the answer what it will be? Then I will show you. Yes, it will be, was Fernandez the captain of a ship? So आपको अभी एक idea आ गया होगा. Same way, I eat 3 bananas every morning. Now I eat 3 bananas every morning. So there is no helping verb existing there. In the fourth sentence, there is no helping verb. तो हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? और वहां पे दिया हुआ है I. I is a singular subject. I eat. Present, simple present, singular subject. तो वहां पे क्या आएगा? Do. Correct. क्या आएगा? Do I eat 3 bananas every morning? Same way, Zarina will come home tomorrow. So we have here helping verb will. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या फॉर्म हो जाएगा? Will Zarina come home tomorrow? क्या हो जाएगा? Will Zarina come home tomorrow? Same. Some fish can stay out of water for a long time. Some fish can stay. So can is also a helping verb. So what it will be? Yes. Can some fish stay out of water for a long time? So can आ गया in the beginning and the rest. Can some fish stay out of water for a long time? 7. They should call us before delivering the packet. They should. So should is a helping verb. So what it will be? Should they call us before delivering the packet? Should जो helping verb है हमने उसको कहाँ डाल दिया? Beginning. And the subject and the predicate of the sentence. It would be better, now 8th one, it would be better to go to the city in the morning. Would. So क्या आएगा? Would it be better to go to the city in the morning? Same way, the 9th one, you can enter the house through the back door. So it will be, can you enter the house through the back door? 10th, Viru could save Jane from drowning in the lake. Could is a helping word. So could Viru save Jane from drowning in the lake? So now in the 10 sentences you have understood how we are changing. Now here it is Dilip, Farhan and Ameya practice for So what, how the sentence will go? Do. Plural subject simple present होगा तो क्या आएगा? Do. Do Dilip, Farhan and Amaya practice for an hour in the evening. Then I look like Hrithik Roshan. Now here there is no, what is there is no verb, helping verb. So what we will write? Do I look like Hrithik Roshan? Reshma disliked chapati when she was a kid. So what it will be? Did Reshma dislike chapati when she was a kid? Jacqueline dreamt, past tense. Jacqueline dreamt that she had become a movie star. Dreamt is in past tense. So what it will come? Did Jacqueline dream? Dreamt क्या हो जाएगा? Dream. Why? Because already from the did we are showing the past tense. So did Jacqueline dream that she had become a movie star? So the rest is also this, both is also the same. You created है वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या है? You created a fuss. तो हमने यहाँ क्या कर दिया? Created को create कर दिया और यहाँ पे हमने लगा दिया है did. Anamika, Selin and Ratish. हाँ, what is the question? Anamika, Selin and Ratish build a kennel for Snorri. Now here it is plural. So what it will come? Did Anamika, Selin and Ratish build a kennel for Snorri? So these are the statements which we are converting into question. और हम जब क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हमारा मोटो क्या होना चाहिए कि हमें आंसर स्टेटमेंट में मिले. Now the next exercise is the tag questions. Okay, the match the following is given in your textbook. So I am here directly giving you the answer, and this is the way you are going to write in the notebook also. Question के सामने direct answer. Match the statement with the correct question tag. Now already I have given the correct question tag. So आपको अलग से question tag जो textbook में दिया हुआ वो notebook में नहीं लिखना है. You have to directly write this in the notebook. जैसे मैंने दिया है वैसे. Minnie runs very fast. Doesn't she? Now here it is run. Runs. So यहाँ पे आ गया that is positive. So it will, here it will be negative. Doesn't she? We are late. Again there is positive. So the question tag will be aren't we? Lisa can swim. Again positive. Lisa can swim across the river. Can't she? The rain has stopped. Hasn't it? Now the fifth sentence is you can't climb a tree. Now here can't, the helping verb is in the negative. So what will be the question tag in the positive? You can't climb a tree. Can you? So always keep in mind whenever you are forming a question tag statement, when the verb will be in the positive, the question tag will be in the negative. And when the verb will be in the negative form, the question tag will be in the positive form. So in this part, I have given you the formation, how the first exercise changes into question to get us a declarative statement. Now here the second topic was question tag, shortest question and the exercise of it. For this part, we are doing this much. Later on, the next part, I will teach you the next topic. So kindly go through the video and write it down in the notebook. Thank you.